Hello from WonderChef, India's finest cookware and appliances brand. When you choose WonderChef, you choose health, you choose fashion, you choose lifestyle. This is NutriBlend, India's healthiest compact mixer grinder. Beautiful design is only matched by its power, which is tremendous. It breaks down every food into small digestible particles so you get the best out of your fruits and vegetables. NutriBlend comes with two jars, the tall one for blending and the small one for grinding. Everything you know can be blended and grinded in these two jars, which are actually unbreakable jars. Let me explain to you how this works. Both the jars have a base. The tall jar has this base, which comes with a blending blade. You recognize this because it has 4 blades. This is best for wet grinding, blending, making your smoothies, juices, etc. etc. The grinding jar has its own base. It comes with this grinding blade, which has 2 parts, 2 blades. This is best for grinding dry masalas, anything which is hard, and for making your loved mint chutneys. The NutriBlend also comes with 2 special caps. One cap is your closing cap. You can close the thing and keep it in your fridge or store it. And a spice cap which has 2 sizes of holes in it. You grind your spice and then use it to sprinkle the spice on your pizza or your sabzis or anything that you want. NutriBlend is fashion in your kitchen. And that's why it comes in a number of colors. Your favorite black, the classic white, the shocking red, the beautiful purple, and more colors. Look out for them. Let me show you how to operate your NutriBlend. All you need to do is just screw the blade in the jar, put it here, press it. That's simple. Behind every body, there has to be a soul. Behind every computer or supercomputer, there has to be a great software. What is the software? What is the soul of NutriBlend? It is this guide, a personal health guide. It is a 184-page book specially designed to be used with NutriBlend. The recipes are curated by a trained nutritionist from Mumbai, Dr. Swati Thoda, backed by recipes of Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. And the magic of this book lies in its numerous recipes, whether it's salad toppings, whether it is juices or smoothies, and a complete diet plan for you, Monday to Sunday, 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. at night. Every recipe has been given, which you can follow a special diet plan that can help you lose weight. All WonderChef products come with a warranty. Should anything happen to your product during this time, call us and we will be there for you.